Alright, YouTube users, here is this Homestead Wind 2 in the black chrome / gunmetal finish with black blades. The motor is new in box is there. Blades were in a box, but blades have been used before, obviously. You can see they're a little scuffed on the edges. Nothing major. Let's go ahead and put this fan on low. Medium low. Quite the nice looking fan, actually. Actually, this is one of the ones I've been looking for. I didn't really care much, but I figured Keith had it, so go over there and pick it up while he has it. So let's low speed on this. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Pretty neat fan. It's my first 6-blader. I like the looks of them, that's for sure. So it's medium. Let's go ahead and go to high. High speed. This thing moves a good amount of air, actually. Homestead sticker on the reverse switch. Reverse switch is kind of finicky. I'm guessing just because it hasn't been used. But it does work. Pretty well balanced. Yeah. Let's go ahead and just send it out. Very cool fan. The only thing cooler, I guess, would have been a chrome one, but I like the black chrome. It's my first gunmetal fan. I like the black gunmetal look. The only other 6-blade fan I'm looking for at the moment is a Fasco World's Fair 52-inch, but they don't pop up that often, so if I ever find one, it'd be cool. But who knows? If anyone's looking for these, I know the guy I got from has 4 more brass ones and a white wind 1. He's got some other ones, but I haven't really finished. So thanks for watching.